Hello everyone, today I'll give my review of the Sodastream Classic Waters Lemonade. Sodastream Lemonade. Might be a little too bright to see, but this here is 0 calorie, and that's why I wanted to get this, because 0 calorie drinks are great. So, not a whole lot in this. There's citric acid, trisodium citrate, natural flavors, sucralose, which is 38.8 milligrams, potassium sorbate, stevia leaf extract, and mono and diglycerides. So, I'm going to mix this up here. I usually use the half line for the 500 mils. And if I go for the full liter, I do the full thing. Mix it up here. I really like the smell of the Sodastream. It's when you open the bottle, it's really strong. The lemonade's clear as well, which is kind of cool. Some of the other flavors, like the grapefruit, is very pink, whereas this is just clear. And it's good lemonade, so cheers. And it's very sweet. It's like a pretty strong lemonade, and the carbonation is amazing. I really like carbonated, like lemonade, things like that. Here in Canada, there's a superstore version, and it is just it's like a can of pop, but it's a can of sparkling lemonade, and it's really good. It's very sweet. This is a little bit sweeter, and it doesn't have the weird artificial lemon flavor that some of the other ones have. This one's just like perfect. So I really like this. I'm gonna give one more sip and give my final review. Very sweet. I use it a little bit above the line there, and I put a lot of carbonation because I really like the carbonation in it. So usually when I pump the Sodastream, I put this like 3 pumps of the carbonation CO2. And then I usually go at about the line, but today I went a little bit ahead of the line on the syrup, so there's a bit more sweetness in this, but it's still very good. Give one more quick sip because it's really good. They perfected the lemonade flavor, and they made it taste very sweet like this with 0 calories. And there's a bit of stevia in this too, which is really cool. So I'll give this a solid 9 out of 10. I really like the lemonade. They perfected it, and they didn't make it too sweet or too sour, just right in the middle, so very good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.